Sithokozani bogogo nomkhulu sala kwasendoda leso gogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emseni madoda. U-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Very sweet and short video I have for you today. Very short. I'm saying it's just an advice. It's not a command. Just advising. Before you go and look for wealth, any type of wealth you may think of, whether it's Gobu, whether it's inhlanga zemali, whether it's boys, whether it's a snake, whether it's what, please visit this department. This department. Don't work on your emotions. Don't work on your emotions. Don't work on jealousy. Don't act on jealousy. Don't act because of Usbanibani is now have a better car than yours, or you don't have a car. Usbanibani has now have a car. Usbanibani business is doing well and your business is not doing well, and you started the same, or you grew up together. Usbanibani is getting married and you are not. You are still stuck with your boyfriend of 20 years. Usbanibani is progressing in whatever a thing that is doing, and when now you are not. We are not the same, guys. And our luck will never arrive the same to us. The fact that your friend went to whatever place and they got whatever that they got and it's working for them, it doesn't mean it will work for them, because you don't know when they've started. You know, you tell somebody a typical thing to say, this thing is going to take time to arrive. No, Coco, it's fine. I'll pay for it. Then you pay for it, and then it takes time. The way I said it. Now you are desperate. Now you are fighting with me. Now you don't want to listen to what I'm saying. No. But on this video, I'm not responding to those who don't want to understand. And while I've told them whatever they have, it has to, whatever they want or they need, it's gonna take time. I'm saying in general, whenever you are going to get something, think about it, process it in your mind. Yes, we don't have the whole time to think about it, donkey years and everything. But me, now, it has never happened. Never happened. There's no one that will say to me, I said to them, they must take this now or they'll die. This thing, it's a matter of emergency, unless it's a matter of protection. But in terms of wealth, I allow people to go and process. And I can tell if somebody has processed whatever that they came to take. I can tell if somebody, they visited their mind, their whole mind, their whole body, their whole, they've did a consultation with their entire body to say, this is what I'm going to get. And you can see on the progress as well, Ogoti, this person, they knew what they are taking. They knew what they are taking. You can even feel on the reminder, thokoza gogo, isalukazi besithe songithumele ilist ngisalindile salukazi ngisacela ungakhohlwa. You can tell with a level of tone to say, I didn't send this list and it's been too long now, but the level of understanding ukuthi isalukazi sendoda doesn't deal with one person is there. And how do you miss that thing, that message to respond to the person to say, okay, this is what you are required to have, or please call the office, they will assist you on this, or do this or do that. And then we work together. Guys, there's something that I want us to discuss today. I may have said it before, but I'll repeat it again if I have said it before. And apologies to sound like a broken record or a record in a scratch. That's what we used to say when we still playing ama LPs. When it has a scratch, to repeat one thing and one thing, because the needle doesn't jump to other lyrics. Guys, the things that I do for you, Namia phone, I also need them. I also need them. group that I do for you, I wish they could be working for me as well. I wish I could have them. All my mains, the group that I call the mains, the head office, the headquarters, they're for you. It's where I take a little bit and put it depending on which one you take. However, today I want to reveal something that has been, I'll use the word bothering me, but now bothering me in a positive manner. Guys, I so wish Ogogo also allowed me to have isigubhu that I'll call it lese sami, isigubhu that I talk to. The scoop that I talk to, it's not isigubhu that belongs to me. It's scoop for you guys, meaning I talk on your behalf on that scoop, the main. I so wish I can have my own snake that I can say, this is my snake. This is the one snake that it's for my family. Myself and my family are going to benefit on the snake. Things are going to be smooth for my family. I wish I had Ama boys. I so wish I have Ama boys. Mine, that will benefit my family and myself. That I will make sure Uguti things are running smooth for my family. Unfortunately, I have to work hard for everything for the little that I want to achieve. I have to work hard. I used to be I have mixed feelings when somebody phones me and tell me how things are happening. Gogo, things are moving. Gogo, things are fine and everything. Until I had so much. I've never seen my grand that angry. You know when you get being beaten up in a vision as a young child, beaten up to say, this is not yours as yet. I've sent you to go and help people with this. When you took it and you eat it on the same vision, Ukoko is talking about Swiss, on the same vision, we are in an older person. You know how visions unpack themselves while we are sleeping. And then I had this thing, Yoguchi, it's not going to work. What did I do for me to get that dream? I've mixed myself a scoop. From the main, I've mixed myself. As if you've been to my place, there's a house for Ikopu and there's a main squad. I've mixed one for myself and I took it to Escotland, and then every morning I was talking to it. Mine now. Telling it, what is it that I want to do? I want to see happening. Yo. I have seen flames. You get a call, Ibiza has blasted at a certain business. You get a call, the truck is broken down at Moy River toll gate. You get this call, That week was my nightmare of a week. Then that's when I had that dream on that week to say, it's not mine. So, I was using what? Emotions. I was dealing with my heart in terms of when people come and say, Gogo, I've achieved this and everything. It was worse when somebody says, Gogo, I've never thought at my age I can get a full-time job, but yes, Gogo, I'm employed full-time at my age, Gogo. And I look at this person, I said, Untanga wami phela lona. Mina and I, we are same age. And I said to myself, maybe I can still find a job. Maybe I should, visit my CV. I can't. I can't go back to the workspace because I'm not in this calling. I didn't answer this calling because I wanted to, because I saw an opportunity. No, this was not an opportunity. It was an instruction to say, now you need to do this. And guess what? I have lost everything. Everything that I thought I've achieved when I was still in the media. Everything. There's nothing that I can point at this moment. Oguti, when I was in the media, this is what I've achieved. There's nothing. Nothing. I was afraid. I'm human. I was afraid to talk about this before and everything, but it's a reality. Ask me what I have from the media. Ask me what I've achieved from media. Nalalela, zero to show. Zero to show. And while I was in the media, I thought I've arrived. And I was lying to myself. So, as we are starting the year, as we are getting through a journey of searching for wealth, of this searching that we want and everything, whatever things that we want, we need to use our brains. We need to use our brains. And I mean, I'm not going to beg people for what I also need. It's a mutual understanding. You come for what you need, I give you. If it's not ready, it's not ready. There's nothing, unfortunately, I can do about it. So the reason for this video, it's simple. It's just to advise you, Uguti, it doesn't matter where you are going to fetch whatever that you're going to fetch. It doesn't matter where you're going. It doesn't matter. All I'm saying, all I'm advising you to do is think about it. Just think about it. Please think about it. I also deal with people who went and fetch things they cannot stand. Iyasebenza le shandisi. It's working. Lalela, it's working. But the admin that it goes with it, it's unbearable. People can't stand it anymore. You know, when somebody comes and they're driving like a Murse car, like a beautiful car. Beautiful car. Top of the range on that model. And you hear this person saying, "God, I don't need this anymore. I went to take it from Mozambique. I went to take it wherever. I don't need this anymore." You know, when the old person, a male person, take off their trouser and bend towards me, bangtunusele, and see that asshole evithikile. I've seen men wearing Pampers, like serious disposables for adults, because of their bleeding, because of what they went to take. And it was nice in the beginning. Somebody said they thought, no, I can stand this. It's fine as long as I'm rich. They are now rich, and the demand is getting more, and more. And who do they go to? To us, local healers, to assist. There's another healer that called me, I think it was late last year, to say, how do you deal with this one? Mangal called me from Mnambit. But how do you deal with this one? And I said, hey, Bob Mangal, I do not know. I remember when I called him back and to say he must sort out his visa, passport, because his passport expired, to so that I can send him somewhere in India. Now, corner, we're just taking chances. So we're bouncing ideas as healers because of we help each other. Now, if there's something that I don't understand, because I'm not a jack of all trades, if there's something I don't understand, I also consult. So he also consulted me. And guess what? He's far older than me in age, in experience. But he did contact me about Mangale Mnambit. What? Hey, but this woman is crying. Guys, think about it. Please, guys. Please. There are many things, guys, you can take that are not dangerous. It's just that Nina, you think because this thing you went to fetch it, so it's powerful. Just because of you heard me saying I'm going to Ghana, like as in now I'll be going to Namibia and everything you think. No, it's a mixture of different countries, guys, that makes something one strong. It's not a matter of going to one country and find everything and come with it and give it to you. It doesn't work like that. salukwazi sendoda ugogo bathini bathi umavula kuvala emzini amadoda till next time thokozani.